Morning, all of you. Today we will discuss our new chapter 10 about water. And water is very important, very essential in our life because without water, no living creature can exist in this earth. So, it's a very important chapter. Now we will discuss about this chapter. You can see the pictures. Now first we will discuss these pictures. Every day we use water in so many ways. It's a real truth that we need water for many purpose. So we will complete this section by the picture given. Now first we need water to brush our teeth regularly. Yes, we need water to brush our teeth regularly. Now, the next picture, we need water for drinking. We need water for drinking purpose. Yes. We need water to wash our hands properly. Yes, we need water to wash our hand. Now, in this corner picture, plants also need water. I have told you that each and every living creature in this earth needs water. Now, water is very important to plants and animals and each and every living creature. Without water, living things will not live. I have told you that if there will be no water, all the living thing will die. Now, where do we get water from? It's a very important question. Where do we get water from? We get water from the rain, and rains fall from the clouds. You have seen in your area when the clouds gather in your sky, after that rain occurs. Rain falls from the clouds and rainwater forms puddles and streams on the ground. You can see the picture of the puddle like the in a different shapes, small, large. Now, rainwater from the streams flow into rivers, seas, and oceans. And in some places, rainwater collect to from ponds and lakes. And some rainwater also seeps into the ground. You have seen the picture in your book. You can look over the ponds, oceans. They all deposit into there, and after that we get the water. Now we build dam and canal to use the river water for the different purposes. Now for the doing agriculture also we made big dams and to produce electricity, and for many purpose we use the water. And we also use water for under the ground by digging wells and using hand pumps. Mostly we use the uh, digging wells and using hand pumps for drinking purpose because the clean water is necessary for drinking purpose, and the clean water we get from the underground. First we dig wells, and when we get the water is been filtered with the using of hand pumps, and thereafter we use this water. You can see the picture of the dam. Now the picture of the dam, you can see that it is used to produce electricity and for the agriculture purpose for the farmers. Water has been stored, and the amount to needed by the farmers or for producing electricity, that much the quantity of water has been flow from the dam. And the well and hand pump we mostly use for the drinking purpose because we get the clean water from there. So by this way we get water and we use different purpose in our daily life. So water is a very important thing in our life because without water no life can exist, and we need every time for doing many things in our life.